At the mouth of Big Cottonwood Canyon stands the stone shell of the old mill. Once the center of Utah's early paper industry, only a shadow of its glory remains. Built in 1883 by Deseret News under direction from Henry Grow, who designed the roof of the famous tabernacle at Temple Square. The Cottonwood Paper Mill was built from discarded granite taken from the same quarry as the Salt Lake Temple. At its peak, the mill could produce up to 5 tons of paper per day. But the mill's success was brief. On April 1, 1893, a fire sparked inside the storage area. Many believed the alarm was an April Fool's joke. By the time the workers responded, the mill was lost. For decades, the ruin stood silent. In 1927, the structure was partially rebuilt as the Old Mill Club, a dance hall and weekend gathering place. Dancers took to the floor where machinery once echoed. Through the 1940s, it remained a lively destination. During the 70s and 80s, it served as the haunted house attraction. Time caught up again. The building deteriorated and was condemned in 2005 and closed to the public. Locals have told stories of seeing shadowy figures in the empty windows and flickering lights despite the building having no active power. Today, the old mill is only a monument to early ambition, one of the oldest artifacts of the industrial era in the region. The future of the mill is uncertain as developers have shown interest in this historic site.